أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد وعلى آله وصحبه والتابعين وتابعي التابعين بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. We start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. We bear witness there is no deity worthy worship except Allah, praise and glory be to Him, and that Muhammad is the seal of messengers. He was sent as a mercy to all mankind. May peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, his family, his companions, and those who followed his path until the day of judgment. I greet you with the greeting of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all, dear brothers, dear sisters, and dear viewers. This is ABZ City News, and we are on this pre-marriage course introduction, lecture 8, part 3, and this is the final part for the charter. And of course, you can go and find out the whole text in the website for the International Union of Muslim Scholars. Is the www.iumsonline.org, and it has the languages English, Arabic, Kurdish, Urdu, Bosnian, French, and Persian as well. So therefore you can read for yourself if you don't understand English, and therefore you can go for that as well. And we covered almost two parts of the charter, family charter, and of course we always start by praising Allah. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد الصادق الوعد الأمين. اللهم لا علم إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما. وارنا الحق حقا وارزقنا اتباعه، وارنا الباطل باطلا وارزقنا اجتنابه، واجعلنا ممن يستمعون القول فيتبعون أحسنه، وادخلنا برحمتك في عبادك الصالحين. اخرجنا من ظلمات الجهل والوهم إلى أنوار المعرفة والعلم، ومن وحول الشهوات إلى جنات القربات. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the world, and praise and peace be upon our Master Muhammad, the truthful, who fulfilled the faithful promise. O Allah, we have no knowledge except what you have taught us. You are the most knowledgeable and wise, and show us the truth as truth, and make us to follow it, and show us the falsehood as falsehood, and make us to avoid it, and make us amongst those who listen to the speech and follow the best of it, and put us by your mercy in your righteous servants. Bring us out of the darkness of ignorance and illusion into the lights of knowledge and science, and from desire into the garden of paradise. Ameen. And we remind ourselves by this very beautiful verse from the Quran. بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا تسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. And amongst his signs it is that he created for you mates from among yourselves, that you may dwell in tranquility with them. And he has put love and mercy between your hearts. Verily in that are signs for those who reflect. Chapter 30, the Roman, verse 21. And of course, we remind ourselves of this beautiful hadith of Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم عن أبو هريرة رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: تنكح المرأة لأربعة: لمالها ولحسبها وجمالها ولدينها فاظفر بذات الدين تربت يدك. And woman may be married for 4 reasons: for her property, her status, her beauty, and her religion. So try to get one who is religious. May you be blessed. And of course, we spoke about the pre-marriage course, and the pre-marriage course is managing family institution, and this will be you can register for this course on and you ask for info at abzconsultancytraining.com, or if you don't register, you just put registration at abzconsultancytraining.com. And if we send you information, if you just send your email, there is an application with your name and email, we can send you all the information. And it's normally it's £120 for 2 days training physically, but because of COVID-19, we do it online, and therefore on Zoom, we can do this as well, and we can get privately, you can actually listen to the talks, and we go through managing marriage preparation, health screening pre-marriage course, handling managing marriage, applying for marriage, registration of marriage for Muslim, and registration of marriage for non-Muslim, managing property finance, managing Islamic property, financial Islamic planning, and of course managing divorce, and if you want to come back, reconciliation, divorce application, prerogative of rights after divorce, family planning, pregnancy, acquired adolescence, handling children, youth development, social issue, child care center, getting abuse protection, application for protection, and of course estate distribution if you pass away, about the will and inheritance law, property category, managing inheritance, property for Muslims, estate distribution and management. And all this goes in a package for pre-marriage course, and it's like a highway code. You learn it, and then of course when you marry, you practice your marriage, what you have learned, and you steer and you drive safely, you and your wife and your children, in this life, and of course in the hereafter as well. And this all are there, and inshallah we will go to our where we stopped last time. We spoke about the family charter as an introduction, and there is part 1 and part 2 is on my YouTube and on my Facebook as well. You can find it, and I'm trying to load this inshallah maybe later on my Facebook part 3, which is today, because I had problem to go live in the Facebook, and I don't understand why. Maybe I just broke one of terms of condition or freedom of speech and all whatever. I don't know. I haven't been notified, but things are going very, very not very, very